guess I'll start here. This is a good place as any. I might play the park first. This is the start of the vlog, I guess. I'm going to Indiana Beach and Monticello, Indiana, for their opening day. I'm relatively excited to see the progress on Chimera, AK, or what they're calling it, American Dryer looping. And I'm also really excited to get yonked over the first drop on Cornwall Express in the back, and the shocking amount of airtime and how shockingly good it is for considering its unimpressive stats. Alright, I'm back home. I forgot my sunglasses.
Well, this little maneuver is going to cost us 51 years.
I'm here now. I got just a lost coaster not that long ago. It's running better than it was last year, especially because it was a whole train, I think. And then there's this is the new ride I got from Kittyland. I never been on. It was actually pretty fun. I would say it's better than the Larson Loop that it replaced. You know, Larson Loops aren't the best rides, but that one was kind of janky in a good way. Off to Cornwall Express, and I'm really excited to get on it again. Very excited. You can't tell by the smirk on my face. So I just got off Seal Hog, and I didn't have much, they didn't stay only at all, and it was significantly better than the other rides they had on it. So far it's been a very warm but pretty nice day.